Auntie Donna, we proud of you. Jamaica people proud of you. Anyways, I watch Planka Boss video, first vlog. Yeah. Just don't watch it. Watch the whole thing to the end. And I can relate to so much of the things that my auntie has said when me just come a foreign for real. Me leave it and I leave some comments in the comment section, but you know, when I come here, the big sweet pepper them I can't forget. The big sweet pepper them and the big onion them I've never, you know, going to Coronation Market, I have never seen any sweet pepper onion big so. We know sometimes we used to get imported onion, but them one are big, man. I mean, used to say to my husband, say, I'm not sure I plant them something here, them make them are. Even the cabbage, some of the cabbage them feel like a plastic. They're so tough, them so hard for cook. I used to say, them are not real cabbage, you know? Them fake, then this, then that. Oh my God. When she said she homesick, I did that home for a while before I start work. And as a Jamaican, me never normally go out like that. Me no meet up with people like that. Apart from me and my kids them chill on their road. Go at the park with them or them something there. Me wasn't the kind of person who go out with friends, always dep on the road and do nothing. Anytime you see me left me yard, it's a reason at Jamaica. So when I come here, I can't stay in the house and it not really bother me. Because I was always a home girl. Yeah, I was always a home girl. But if you listen to she is like, oh my God. Like everything in my head, but yeah, are the same thing. Here in Jersey, at least down in Florida, Orlando with Auntie Day, you know, it more warmer than Jersey. Up here, when the time cold, you know what I'm gonna away. When me just come. Now me not even care about the cold. Cause you get so used to it, and I should have said how you cope. The most important thing for me when me just come here was me miss my children them. Cause you know, them was who me have when me back home. When me wake up in the morning, I them me see. When me I go to bed at night time, I them me see. So if you leave them and come here, yeah, that was the hardest part for me. But everything else, me working so well because me did have my husband and me and him depend on phone for hours and tell me, and he's like, you know, me imagine the situation and me adjust my mind to the situation before me even come here, cause me know say me I go day here, me I go live here. So me have to, and then me they come visit, and me just after me used to listen to everything when my husband say, and then when me come visit, me just imagine it and just it was perfect. Apart from missing my children them, me never really homesick like that, cause me always inside of my house when me there in Jamaica, but me homesick feeling sad and heartbroken because me miss my children them. Them was everything, me and them. My kids them never used to their road and them something near Jamaica. It was always them around me. So and my husband was here. So yeah, me did miss them. But yeah, it's nice. I mean, watch Auntie Vlog and me enjoy everything about it. Me enjoy it. It just refreshing and it just bring back when me just come here. Yeah, 8-9 years ago, almost 9 years now. It bring back memories for me. Yeah. So it was very refreshing for watch it. And everything when she has said shopping, when she said, you know, shopping give her comfort, that was me. When me just come here, oh God, I couldn't save. Me always give them a little money, or Senegal and Jamaica go and give away, or buy things, send down barrels. Sometimes I'll 8 barrels, 7 barrels. Me I send one time, and my husband say, I don't know, nobody in America will do this, you know. If you keep this up, you're not gonna have nothing in America. Cause me would have spent out the whole of my little money when I work, and then turn around and ask him for money. Yeah, auntie put me in some meditation this morning, and I remember and I reflect upon my time when we just come America. You know. See some of the things them. Yeah. Love shopping, love going mall, love go online. As soon as me get paid, me dep online. Cause, you know, when me come, we never have big mortgage and big rent and then something to pay. And him tell me say, if we are gonna achieve something, you have to open up your eyes. And when him said to me, say, tell me if this makes sense. You work and me work. You know some have bills to pay. Right now you just come and you don't have the bills to pay. That time maybe about almost 8-9 months into me being here. And him say, you know, say you don't have the bills to pay right now. Me know you have the kids them. But every money you have, you send it go gateway and buy clothes and this and that, and then you turn around and ask me for money. At least leave money for you use. Cause me have the bills them for pay, that don't make no sense. Them time you email pay my phone bill and then something there. Papa Jesus. It not easy, yo. Yeah. So at the end of the day, and you come America, and you just come and you refresh, you just think about sending. Most people I know will come off foreign. Yeah. Most of them had that happen. Then come, then buy, and then send, then buy, and then send. And then because them come and them not come right in our mortgage. Just like one lady when me know, she come up here and she work and she stay amongst friends when she come. So when she come, she not paying a light bill, she not paying a water bill, she not paying a rent. And her remarks go to Jamaica and say, oh, people there foreign and suffering hard. And look how much barrels she send down. She come up here and she work for 4 months and she go down. Every time she work, she come. So you know what happened? The last time, our friend not do nothing but tell her say she not have nowhere to put her. My friend not get no work for her because she go back to Jamaica and talk about her friend and say her friend can do better because America not so hard and blah blah blah. That time my friend alone, I pay her rent, I pay a light bill where she use, I pay a water bill, I pay everything, not water bill because the water bill they come in at the rent. But light bill and rent and buy food. She not even buy food, you know. And she go to Jamaica, go talk about her friend. And her friend not do nothing but decide say, she not, and her friend always get hustling for her, you know. She decides she gonna make she come because she want to come. But she not get no work for her. She spend 4 months up here and don't have no work. And go back down without barrel. You see, let me tell you something. You have to be careful what you say. I left for Auntie story and God know this. You have to be careful what you do and what you say about people. Because it will backfire upon you. It will backfire upon you. Be careful. You hear me tell you? Because she go down there and talk about the girl, you know. After the girl put her up, you know. Put her up. She traveled 3 times before that and the girl put her up. Help her, carry her, go shopping and buy what she want. She pack her how much in barrel and go down, go sell things. And the last time, because her friend was so much, she said, I am not going to get no work for she. Me not going to get no work for she. Because she go down there and chat her friend. Me not get no work. And she down there and she talk how foreign not hard. And now the people them attack how foreign hard and foreign not hard. Look how much barrel she pack. Because she not paying no bills when she come. So look how money when she work. She use them pop barrel and carry down and look at food go put in her pocket. Then I understand. But Auntie Donna video was so refreshing, man. I watch every nitty-gritty. I some used to watch Auntie Donna, you know, back to back. Back to back. Like sometimes me in the kitchen, me I clean, me I do whatever, and our video them I run right behind each other, So me watch her when me I watch her. But that was nice, you know. And you know, when she said to me, say she and her kids them have a relationship, you know, our kids them friendly. That's how my kids them is too, you know. Me and them have a bond. Sometimes me hear Auntie Donna talk some things about herself, and it's like a me she talk too. But it's like a me she talk, you know. It's just so funny because we have so much similarities. So much. We have so much similarities. When she talk about our personal self, like we should go through our growth, or our work, or she love cook, about our children them, and certain, yeah. It's like she talk about me. Yeah, in some aspect she talk about me. But anyway, the Donnas, I just up on here because I watch the video and I really enjoy it. So I'm just voice a little opinion on it. When you're a content creator, you talk about anything. Your life, anything. So I'm a content creator now. So sometimes I just pull up my phone and I just do a content discussing certain things. But I hope you enjoy this video. Big up on a nice clean self. I wanna don't forget to like the video. Peace. I'm out.